Hello everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an amazing British classic, which is lemon drizzle cake. It's a very simple cake, it's lovely and lemony and zesty. You're gonna love this. So let's get into it, shall we? So the ingredients you'll need to make the sponge are eggs, sugar, self-raising flour, butter and lemon zest, and for the drizzle or the syrup you'll need sugar and lemon juice. Now, to measure out this type of sponge, I measured the eggs, and these eggs, I measured the eggs in the shells, and they came out to about 230 grams. And I have 230 grams of flour, the same of butter. So the ingredients in the list you'll find on screen and down below are of what my eggs weighed. Your eggs will weigh differently depending on the size of eggs you use, and so it will be different. The measurements will be different. So I'm using a mixer. You can use a hand whisk, you can use a stand mixer, you can use your good old-fashioned elbow grease, just a wooden spoon, do whatever you like. So make sure to keep the pedals attached to the mixer. We're gonna put sugar and butter. We're gonna let this mix until it's light and fluffy. Helps if it's actually switched on. There we go. Okay, so this has been mixing. It's nice and fluffy. We'll scrape down the sides of the bowl. And we'll add the eggs in one at a time. Okie dokie. So now we just need to add the flour and lemon zest. So remove the cake batter from your pedal attachment. And if you're using a mixer, don't use a whisk attachment. A pedal is better at creaming the butter. And make sure that everything is mixed at the bottom, because sometimes mixers don't get the bottom very well. So we'll add in the flour and the lemon zest, and fold this through. Now, we'll add a little bit of the lemon juice we have here. Not all of it, because we'll need less for the syrup. Just like one, maybe 1 teaspoon. And mix this through. So, we're gonna add some vanilla to give it a little bit more of some flavour. Because cake's not a cake without vanilla. Even if you make a chocolate cake, add vanilla. Sorry for that sound, that was the dog playing with her toy. If you can hear any singing in the background, I am sorry. We live in the city centre we live in Zabbar, and there's a village feast going on right now, so we're not that far from the Ghazi, which is right next door, so I'm sorry if you can hear them. There's nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. Okay, so we'll add the batter in the loaf tin. This is lined with baking paper so it doesn't stick. Okay, so this cake is gonna go in the oven at 170 for about 55 minutes. Yes, this cake does take a long time to bake because it's in a loaf tin and there's quite a lot of batter in this tin. So while the cake is in the oven, we'll make the syrup and then we'll drizzle it while it's hot. Okay. We'll put the sugar in. Now the lemon juice. And we'll stir this until it bubbles. And leave it on the stove, nice and warm, until the cake is done, and then we'll drizzle it while it's still hot. Then you can have a slice. Goes amazing with a cup of tea. Okay, so when it simmers like this, you can switch it off the heat. You can switch it off and wait until the cake is ready. I'll see you when it's ready and out of the oven. Alright, so the cake has come out of the oven and I'm gonna poke holes in the cake like this and drizzle the syrup while it's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the syrup on. Okay, so this is ready and we'll let this go. Okay, so here's the finished loaf. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's taste this. It's amazingly soft. It's very soft because of the sugar syrup we put on top, the drizzle. Super lemony and zingy, very summery. I hope you will make this. It's impeccably simple. There's not much involved. And like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.